anybody want to get fit and jacked in Thailand? Is this not a infomercial ready to happen for happiness where you hang out with real friends in the real sunshine and your body isn't what it is on the couch back at home? You can actually see some abs. I can't believe I'm doing my infomercial live this way, but I predicted this 15 years ago right over there in the sand. I said there's got to be a way I can live overseas and live in paradise and make money while I'm here, and that's exactly what it is. It's making money while I'm here and getting my exercise in and keep my diet going and making everything flow. So when you have the trees giving you the breeze and you smoke good trees to give you the ease, and there's great weed here, there's a jungle, there's a whole rainforest making us sweat, and all we do is let our stress out with the Frisbee. It's on life, that's on everything. It's to be able to love your life and somewhere, somehow, watch a sunset Frisbee sessions, get your exercise in, get your mind free, and make sure, most importantly, you get outside, you enjoy nature, and exercise the demons. So this is the best thing I can say has changed my life, man. I said all I want to do is work on websites and play Frisbee every day with my friends and sell the products that I wear. This is Saints Addiction. Yes, bless. Let's go. Sunset Frisbee. Hey, Steve. Look at this guy. How old are you? I feel like blood sport.